I can take the room from being fully spread out to condensed in just a matter of minutes. And that allows me to really tailor my lessons and my room to what we're doing that day. I'm Cory Spurling. I teach engineering here at Dow High School. I'm a CTE teacher, so I focus on career and technical education. So this is my brand new room, fully furnished with SALTO furniture from Case, and it has been phenomenal. We used to have rows of computers and it was difficult to get to students. Now we have an open floor plan and we now have all of our access to our 3D printers, our tooling, larger tables with storage underneath, and storage now up on the walls. Flexibility was something I really didn't understand until I got the furniture. I knew I wanted to be able to move things around, but this furniture moves so easily. I can take the room from being fully spread out to condensed in just a matter of minutes. I will literally change my room 3-4 times a day if needed, and sometimes it'll stay the same, but having that flexibility has really changed my approach to teaching. So our students before, when we were in rows, would just be sitting next to each other, maybe collaborate 1 or 2 across. Now students each individually have 4 to 6 people quickly at their access, whereas before we only had 1 or 2 their shoulder partners. You can even feel it in the room that students just come in and want to get to work versus come in and sit and wait for instruction. It's night and day. Thinking about my colleagues, I would definitely say that flexibility is more important than you think. And the SALTO furniture is what allows me to be able to do that.